We've had the business for the last 39 years this year, and Harry started it back then in 1986. His passion was work. Hi, my name is Maggie Minassian. I'm the Director of Hartex Engineering. Well, he started in our garage in Marsfield, and then we were in Brookvale, and then now we have these big premises here. Over the years, we started small, and then we became the premier pit builders in Australia. We're very proud of that too.
Hartex has been my father's life. So as a kid, growing up, dinner table conversations, breakfast conversations, it's always about this customer, that job, this pit. It's in all of our blood. I think today is a very special day. It was very important for my mother and I to be very comfortable with the values and the alignment, and through the course of working with Levanta and learning about your business, I think there's such a strong fit in terms of integrity, values and customer centricity. I think this acquisition, what it really does is melt together Levanta's already existing broad range of product capabilities, and it adds to that the excellence of the Hartex pit, but in addition to that, it's the truck and bus washing machine capability, which is obviously very important, particularly as in this industry, we need to be conscious of water recycling and sustainability. So it's the complete package. You don't have to deal with anybody else. I'm very excited about the future Levanta has going forward. And I think that it's just going to go from strength to strength. I think the real winners out of this acquisition are the customers in the heavy vehicle industry.
As Harry's wife for the last almost 50 years, I'm sure he would be very happy that we sold Hartex to Levanta, because they have the same ideals: honesty, integrity in whatever they do, and customer is always very important to them.